Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond Michelle if you are new to my channel, and if you are a returning subby, hey girl, hey boy, hey. And if you are new, welcome to the channel. So today is Wednesday. I am off from work. Y'all are gonna spend the day with me. We have a few errands to run. I'm gonna head to Zara first because they just like opened in here in Houston. The Houstonians, they love to shop, so I'm trying to get in and get out. Because I have a dinner to go to Saturday night, so I need something for that if I can find something. If not, I'll just find something in my closet. I might go. I think I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's today. I possibly might finally pick up my camera today as well too. Where else? I might go to Ulta. I have a lot of a good amount of places that I need to go to between today and tomorrow. So if I don't go to those places today, we will go there tomorrow. So let's get this day started.
Hey, hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Yo. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take an advance. She wasn't going as planned. I put the shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. Her she went back to the man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway. You know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's stuck on wild way it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tens. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Texas, it's a beachfront. When she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tinted by the pool and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep it pockets greased up. Me and Capo tryna leave our marketplace to east up. Ain't nobody making too much money off the beef stuff. But I beef a rapper cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Picking up dinner for tonight and tomorrow because I need something to eat tonight. So I'm gonna cook some pasta. So I got some protein pasta. I
found this linen set that's been on viral, low-key viral on TikTok. Luckily, I found it in my size. It's been sold out online. Well, I'll show y'all. Hold on. Never mind. I'm gonna show y'all once I get home, because this is gonna be the last stop. Because I've been looking all over for this pasta protein. So I'll see y'all when I get home. Hey y'all, so I am finally back home from ripping and running in the streets all day. I want to show y'all what I got. And we have an unboxing to do because my package finally came today. I've been waiting for it all week and I'm so excited to unbox it for y'all. So the things I got from Target, well, I went to Willowbrook Mall and I went to Memorial City Mall. Didn't find anything in neither one of those malls. So hopefully I can find something in my closet. If not, I may have to go to Galleria tomorrow or something. But anyways, got some ground beef, some protein pasta noodles, and then some tomato and basil, because this is what we're going to be cooking tonight. And put this over here. And then I got me a loofah. I need a new one. Toothpaste. And some lotion. And then I looked up on this set. This is actually a PJ set. It's the Stars Above women's white linen set. They come in different colors. They come in white, yellow, and like a dark gray. I looked up on these. I couldn't. They've been sold out online for a minute because it went viral on like not Target. It is from Target, but it went viral on TikTok. So I looked up on it. I want to try it on a little bit later to see if I can fit it, but I should. I got both a small, so that's the shorts. And then this is the shirt. I feel like this would be a cute like cover up for the beach or when we go on vacation. So I'm gonna save that if I end up keeping it. All right, are y'all ready for the unboxing? I'm so excited. So I already know what it is, but I'm just.
Don't put me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' by money, bake. Sit back and roll a whole eight. Smoking that shit to the face. I color cool, different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slum of the day. Trouble, we come from the A. Strip back in the main wave. Starting off in the fast lane. Smoke all back to the brain. Sliding that Bentley move, same. 2018, the new range. Slip through that shit, ease the pain. Like you a simple pain. Rico and Psych on these saints. Doing that shit that you can't. Drip on your bitch like a saint. I'm tryna stack on my ring. I'm about to blow like a tank. Wire that shit to the bank. How much you want for that rate? Ain't it for winches and I'm finna skate. Roll this scotch well in the face. Get in the race at the stage. Put that little bitch in a place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I put them blow the quarter. Diamonds as cold as water. Diamonds as cold as water. I'm tryna own the water. It's so the water. I got them rest of my business. Still shooting dice at the palace. I kinda cool, can we get it? Your gunner, he still in the left. I treat these little hoes like some mags. They stick to the kid like a man. They suckin' for me, call me daddy. Sluffers, I'll never forget. She probably didn't know she was with it. And she drip from my mouth to the tips. At the mood cause she fucked the whole city. I'm just saying that shit gon' be lit. But hater, I want you to admit it. I want you to expand your personal business. The person gon' cost you some business. I put some hoes in Jimmy. Just tryna mold me. My mother was old and stingy. Your nigga, I had to go get it. I had to go let me hold the 50. I put a hole in your kidney. She play with that no look like Whitney. She up